little rabbit, and we will need to cut it in smaller pieces, in small cubes for our recipe. So we will first disjoint the legs and everything in smaller pieces, then we will take out the bones. So now we'll take smaller knife. Before doing any of this, please wash your hands, sanitize your knives, your area where you will be working, and be careful to not cut yourself. Okay, so we got second plate. There will be more dishes to wash. It's okay. I'm not the one washing. So, in this same oil goes this. Okay guys, so in the meanwhile we actually prepared one more thing, which is chicken broth right here. We used this one, for example. It's quite good, but there is some pasta in it, so you will need to filter pasta out, but it's not much of a bother. So after we add flour to the vegetables and mix them, we will then add it to the chicken. Okay guys, so in the whole mixture there also goes some spices, these right here. We have some bay leaves, about like 3-4 of them, depending on your taste. Some tamyan and some cebu. So, those all you can find in any kind of markets where they sell food. It's not anything exotic, so it will be good. If it's too dry, if you don't have any water in it, you can add some chicken soup, because it will mix anyway later on in about a minute. Okay, so after this we will add it all in our chicken broth. Go. You should have enough water to cover your meat like this, not too much. And you need to cover it with this and put it on boiling for 1.5 hours on like medium heat